Speaking effectively before a larger audience and trying to put our thoughts before them is something which we all cherish on everyday basis. And in that way comes the public speaking aspects which most of us lack the talent of. Many of people hinder their thoughts and just stay behind in their career only because they feel that they are not worth in public speaking. Well, public speaking is something which everyone wants to do and do it in a more effective manner. Here I am to share with you 5 small tips which would certainly help you in mastering public speaking right from zero. Well, at the end of the video, there are 2 bonus tips, so make sure you are watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, thanks so much for watching APP, that is Among the Pages, where I talk about the books and the content written among their pages. Well, if you're for the first time here, then this is Achyut Murari and I am from first year MBBS Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Well, I talk about the books and bookish content and personality development tips in these videos in this channel. Well, coming to the aspect, tip number 1. Your confidence matters more than a knowledge which you possess while you try to carry yourself or public speaking. Confidence is something which is visible to the audience rather than what the content they are saying. Because visual senses are more important, so audience try to see you then listen to you. So first when they watch you, they must feel that you are enough confidence. Then you must be having this doubt, how to improve my confidence level, or how should I be able to carry myself in a positive manner. Well, these are some again small tips which would help you to boost your confidence. Number 1, revise the content multiple times. Number 2, you can practice your speaking before standing before a mirror and holding a pen or any object in your hand as your mic, and you can practice speaking before that. The third small tip which would help you to boost confidence is speaking to yourself or speaking to any friend before you give any speech or before you try to talk before a larger audience. You can talk the content before your friend or with your family members, which would certainly boost your confidence and get you an idea that you are gonna literally ace everything. Now coming to tip number 2. Many people think that English is something which is out of their reach. Their accent and their pronunciation is something which they are completely lacking, and they are no way in competition with a lot of speakers around the world. Well, let me remind you people, in each country the English spoken is in a different manner and the pronunciations differ. There is nothing inferior in speaking the English which you have learnt in your school, or you need not portray the English which you have learned in a way, a sophisticated manner, or with high syllables or pronunciation or heavy sophisticated vocabulary words. Well, for example, 11th President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his speeches are something which we all crave to hear. Well, I don't think his English is something which matches with the American or England accent. It is completely an Indian accent. And also added to the fact, Srimati Sudha Murthy is also the most influential person in India, but her English is something which gives us nativity. Well, coming to the third tip. Firstly, you need to have enough knowledge on what you have to speak. Whenever you are trying to speak before a larger audience, try to just not jot down the headings or subheadings in a 15-point or a 20-point manner. Well, if you are thinking that if you are writing 20 points, then it is sure that you are not going to say 20 points right before you speak, because there are certain aspects which you're trying to forget. So if you're told you want to speak a 10-line thing, then you must be preparing for a 15-line or a 20-line speech. And in that manner, even if you forget some points, it does not hinder the way you speak or does not create fear in yourself. Coming to the fourth and the most important tip is, when you have a larger audience sitting before you, most people tell that they fear watching the audience. Well, this is super easy for you to actually gain your access upon. Well, you are just watching, either you can watch the wall behind the auditorium, or you can select any one audience from the one side and only one audience from the other side, and you just need to focus on that person only. In that manner, you need not move your head so much, but also you can speak much effectively thinking that only one person is actually listening to you. Now coming to the tip number 5, which I felt is the most important one. Your body language and the movements which you give in your head or with your hands is something which eases the way you try to pronounce or you try to deliver things on stage. Whenever you are on dais and try to say something, Don't just stand like a statue and speak things continuously, but when you are giving enough pauses and also when you are giving the enough hand movements or your head movements, that would certainly get the thought that you are much freer than anyone else on the dais. You feel that the whole dais is the one which you already know and all the audience are ones who actually are listening to you. So you would not feel any more inferior, but also you can ace the way you are saying. To the other tip, you can begin your speech or you can share any of your life experience in between, or you can add a quote or a question which would make you feel free before the audience and also make the session much more interactive. You can add questions in between which will make audience or incline audience towards you listening. And you can also add a proverb either in the beginning or in the end which would ease up the thing which you are trying to say, or you can add any life experience thing which you have personally experienced, which would certainly create a deeper impact on the listeners, and also they can clearly relate what you are saying to their own lives. Coming to the bonus tips. Well, bonus tips are something which I think you must be following on everyday basis, which would cumulatively help you in growing your attitude towards public speaking. They will make you competent to be speaking before a larger audience in a very easy manner. The first small thing which most people do not agree doing that is speaking before a mirror. Make sure you are practicing the whole content standing before a mirror, just acting like holding a mic with enough distance between your mouth and the microphone, and just speak right away looking yourself into the mirror. Whenever you're doing this thing, the first idea which forms into your brain, because your visual plus your auditory senses are working perfectly in a synchrony manner. So in this manner, completely you can portray yourself standing before, and you can actually feel that how would an audience or how would a person listening to you feel that when you're speaking. Most influential people over this planet or in India follow this basic rule on increasing their potency towards speaking publicly. Well, for instance, Mr. Ratan Tata does this thing whenever he tries to deliver a speech. Now coming to the second bonus tip. Technology plays a humongous role in modifying or chiseling ourselves on an everyday basis. So make sure that you use a technology in an appropriate manner. One such instance is where you can putting the whole text of the speech or the whole content which you are trying to deliver, just voice record that, and whenever you are traveling to the area or whenever you are just sitting idle, you can put in your earphones and just try to hear all the content which you have just said in that voice note. Thereby, when you're trying to read, only your visual senses are working, but when you are trying to listen, even your auditory senses are trying to work. That is, you are having a double advantage in remembering things. So you need to carry yourself in a positive and a confident manner. Don't think that someone is going to judge you. Even if they are trying to judge you, just let that be out of your mind, and you will become a wonderful person with each day going by. So I hope this was useful for you. If at all this is useful, then let me know in the comment section, and till the next video, bye bye.